Today we're going to make and drink the Lorikeet, which is from Shannon Mustipher's Tiki Modern Tropical Cocktails. It's a drink that's inspired by the jungle bird and a species of parrot that's native to Australia. I've not made this one yet, but just looking at the ingredients list, you'll see that it should be much different than that original jungle bird recipe that we all know, because for this one, you'll need Angostura bitters, Peychaud's bitters, lemon juice, pineapple juice, cinnamon syrup, banana liqueur, and a rye whiskey. Now I can predict the future and I can already read the comments here. You're gonna say, that's not a jungle bird. And that's because it's not a jungle bird. It's a drink that's inspired by a jungle bird, but I do have an excellent recommendation if you're looking for something that's more in line and closer to a jungle bird, and that would be to go make a jungle bird. If you want something to taste exactly like the thing that's in your mind, just make that thing that's already in your mind. I, for one, am open to new things, so let's make the Lorikeet. Start with 4 dashes of Angostura bitters, 6 dashes of Peychaud's bitters, 3/4 ounces of lemon juice, 1 ounce of pineapple juice, 1/4 ounce of a cinnamon syrup, 1/2 ounce of banana liqueur, and 2 ounces of rye whiskey. So there you go, the Lorikeet from Shannon Mustipher. All right, let's try the Lorikeet. I mean, there's no doubt it's a rye whiskey cocktail. That rye whiskey flavor kind of overpowers the other things that you would expect in here to kind of stand out. Now, there's no Campari in here, but you are getting some bitterness from the bitters, obviously, but it's not going to be super bitter. It's not going to be like a Campari, pineapple juice, rum, jungle bird. But just to reiterate, if you're looking at Shannon Mustipher's book, there's a jungle bird in that book. This is something that she made that she was inspired by jungle bird recipes and not necessarily a jungle bird. So it is something that is new and different and unique, and we're using a rye whiskey, and it's not just a one-to-one replacement of changing out your rum for rye whiskey. It's something new and different. And I say new and different is good. So if you're looking for a whiskey cocktail, whether it's bourbon, rye whiskey, or anything else, and you want that flavor you can't really get from anything other than whiskey, then this is for you. It is a whiskey-forward cocktail, but it is still nice and refreshing. It's a little bit on the lighter side too, which is kind of interesting with all those ingredients we have going on here. So that's Shannon Mustipher's Lorikeet from the book Tiki Modern Tropical Cocktails. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like below. Consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to support this channel more, you can check out the Patreon page for behind-the-scenes stuff, happy hours every couple months, and then some exclusive videos that you can only see on Patreon. Otherwise, see you in the next one.
Sing, sing with joyous heart.